So we're gonna tie the string onto the pine cone so that you can hang it. You don't want the pine cone upside down so that you can put the peanut butter will hold onto it. So this direction. And so I'm gonna take twine that's about 12 inches, 1 foot, and I'm gonna tie it underneath a row. And then double knot it. And then I'm gonna make a loop at the top so you can hang it on a tree branch or a plant hanger. Now you're all set to put your peanut butter on it.
You put a peanut butter on like this, all over the place, and then we will roll the seeds, and we'll roll a pine cone on the seeds, and so it will stick, and then you're all set.
So we're ready to put bird seed on our bird feeder, and you can choose what kind of bird seed might attract specific birds that you are interested in seeing come near your house. And you can also give these as a gift, and we'll show you how to package those up. So Yaya is going to show you.
Hi, and this is how you roll it.
So now the peanut butter is sticky enough that the seeds are sticking on the pine cone. So now that one is full, so you want to put it inside our bag. And then you can fold it and staple it and give it as a gift. But what we're going to do is show you where we've decided to hang our bird feeder. And Yaya's going to walk it over there. Should we go over there? We found a spot that is high enough that who won't eat it, Yaya?
A squirrel.
Right. Who do we want to eat the bird seed?
A bird.
The birds. And then hopefully we'll see some birds come and eat our seeds soon.